I'm Arvind. I'm the Director of Marketing and Application of Texcel Tools and Services Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. These are the products that we make, tools like the hole mills, the reamers, the drills, the end mills, the farm tools, and various type of tools which can be used for the medical, aerospace, electronic and automobile industries. Our customers are very happy with these tools. They really enjoy using our tools and it has given them a lot of benefits and a lot of savings. Texcel Tools and Services Private Limited is an ISO certified company. We manufacture various type of solid carbide, PCD and CBN cutting tools, supplying to various type of industries ranging from electronics, automobile, etc. We are an ISO certified company and we manufacture a lot of tools for all the exotic materials. We were established in 2002 and we have more than 25 years experience in supplying tools to various customers.